Implement queue using stacks. Implement fast in fast out queue using only 2 stacks. The implemented queue should support all the functions of the normal queue: push, peek, pop, and empty. Actually, I think it's like in our C# like DQ and queue, right? Okay, implement the my queue class with those functions. Okay, they're just explaining about queue and stuff, right? Okay, how to implement queue using stacks. Okay, so okay, let's go with our scenarios. Now when it is given 1 and 2, we need to, if the input is push 1 and 2, simply the stack is, oh sorry, stack is legs in fast out, right? Legs in fast out, so stack will give 2 and then 1, right? But queue is fast in fast out, so we have to return 1 and 2. 1, only after that we have to return 2. Okay, so how we are gonna implement this one? When we are having 1, we will just save 1, right? And then 1 coming 2, 1 2 is coming at the time, I will because the stack, because I'm gonna play with only in the push method, so the pop, peek, empty is gonna be the same. It's gonna be easy because I will use the default stack pop and peek and empty. So if we play push, the others are okay, right? We don't have to do anything for the other functions if we play push, if we save the data correctly. But you can do anything we want. Sometimes we can play a pop method, and then we have to change the peek method too. Okay, now I'm gonna play with the push method, so we don't have to change for pop and peek method. Okay, so we have 1 in our stack fast. Then when we got 2 at that time, what we are gonna do is copy the first one, and then we will push this one, and then we will get the 1 and 2. But stack is returning 2, right? But we need to return 1 for the first time, so we will reverse that one, 2 comma 1 at the time. If we pop, we will get 1 from the stack, and then after that we will get 2. So that's the one we got, that's the one we want, right? Okay, when it is coming 3, original is 2 and 1, right? So we will get those and the new stack by pop and pop at the time 1 2, and then we will add our new value 3, and then we will reverse that one, 3 2 1. So at the time when we want to pop what is pop? Sorry. Okay, 1 and then 2 and then 3, right? So it's the one we want, right? Okay, let's start it. For the first time, we need to create a variable called stack because they want us to use the stack, right? And then I will just instantiate only when it's coming to the constructor. And then I will play at the push method so that I don't have to do anything for the pop in the pop method, or I will return just simple stack dot pop, because this one is gonna be it's gonna return the object, right? So I will cast with the integer value. The peek method is the same. I will use the stack peek method, and then I will cast to integer, and then I will return. This one is checking stack is empty or not. So in our C# we have to check count equal 0, right? If the count is not 0, that means stack is not empty yet. Okay, let's start this one. I will create a new stack to save the old value back, right? Okay, stack, new stack. Then y the old stack is stacked right. Old stack dot we can check dot count not equal 0 until the old stack is not empty. We will push to our new stack by popping from the old stack. Okay, then we got 1 and 2, and then we will push our new value 3, then we will reverse that one, right? So y new stack dot count not equal 0, we will push them back by popping the new stack. So our stack will be with the new value, right? Okay, let's see. Okay, so I'm gonna submit this one to see what's gonna happen. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.